Hi, my name is Henry. Some people think I'm gay, but I don't see the issue in that. I have two girlfriends. One's 12, one's 43. Oh, I'm 65. Oh darn, I just fell over.
My name is Henrietta. I got a tumor on my neck, so it makes my head turn. I'm Henry's wife. His girlfriend? Well, let's not speak of her. She's the one that put this tumor on my neck. My name is Henrietta, and well, I don't know. I'm 12. Dating a 63-year-old. Isn't that attractive?
My name is Henry Rue.
I might be small, but I could ram you in the camera. You might think I look funny for being a whatever this animal's called, but I'm perfectly fine. Don't treat me different. I might be red, I might not look like my pa, but inside, I know I'm his.
My name is Frank.
I might be gay. I don't know. I have two large tumors in my back. Some people call me a camel, but I just think they're being judgmental. I don't like categories. People call me emo just 'cause I'm red. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh, I just fell over. Sorry.
Next family. I'm Roseanne. I eat gazelles. And I love everyone. And humans always try to kill me, and I just run away because I'm scared of them. And I ate my husband because I was hungry. But before I ate him, we had 3 kids. I'm Kurt. And I like to take bubble baths. And I also enjoy long walks with giraffes. And I like macaroni and cheese. And human fingers. I'm Pedro and I'm gay. But, I have a lot of friends. And I'm not gay all the time. Oh, and by the way, gay means happy. I don't like men. I like girls. I'm Pablo, and I just kind of sit around and everyone laughs at me. And my mom's really mean, and I hang out with Kurt and eat her macaroni and cheese. And then she bites me. That's right, I bite you. That is my food. Jerk. So, yeah. This is my family, and I live over here in this here forest, and I like to urinate on the palm trees. Only because they serve as not only a pee spot, but I wipe my butt with the bristles. And it's just so lovely of the nature to provide a toilet.
So here comes the hippo. Oh no.
Here comes the hippo. Oh no. Boom. 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 Oh crap. Boom. Boom. I'm a hippo. I like fish. And Kurt. I just want to lick her up and down. You just farted!
tiger just farted in my face. What the do you think you're doing?